Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, so where are others? They never are on time, huh?
Good morning, madam.
Morning. Only 10. Okay, let me ask you. Last time Siddharth was there in the meeting?
No.
No, and last time also, because last time I did not take the attendance, I forgot.
No, ma'am.
He is not coming.
Since 2-3 days he is not coming.
In other subjects?
In other subjects also he is not coming.
Okay.
No, ma'am, in last class he came.
He was there?
But for only last 2-3 minutes he came.
Last
Okay.
2-3 minutes,
He was-
Vraj sent him message that you have to come. All are talking about it.
Yeah,
He was
Murli sir
having network problem.
Okay. Let's see today. Otherwise, I'll do the needful. Okay, so did you practice K-map?
Yes.
The answer is no. Yes, Shaunak, how many questions you have solved? Shaunak is on mute because he knows that he doesn't have anything to talk to me, you know. Okay,
Yes.
today what we are going to do, we have already discussed one question of K-map. Now I will take some examples from the book and I will take different examples and try to explain you how to make pair, quad and octet. Because making these groups is the most essential thing. Okay, if you form a wrong group, if you forget the rules and you generate the groups or octets or quad on your own, then it can be a problem. You have to, follow the rules. So that we are going to discuss. There are 16 participants. So I think I should start. It is already good morning, 3 past 11. So 3 minutes are more than enough. Come on. I don't start the meeting sharp at 11 because I feel that you might take some time because of slow internet or something, not because you were having your breakfast and all. Okay, so act smartly. 10:58 you should be seated in your place whenever it is a computer class, because I do that even before that. Okay, so that we will start sharp at 11, because 11:40 the meeting will get over. It is not going to wait for us. I am not going to extend. I cannot extend. Okay, Siddharth is here today. Siddharth, can you speak? Why didn't you attend the last 2 meetings of computer? I want to know, my dear. Who else was not present last time? Raise hand. No one. I have a doubt about Ayush and Siddharth.
So, Ayush not attended.
Half of the classes.
And Siddharth is on mute. भाई ओथ लिया है, कुछ बोलना नहीं है ऐसा.
He is not on mute.
He is not on mute, but he is not speaking. That is practically being mute. Okay, not to worry. Let us see. We will start with the K-map. Today I have kept ready some file for you where I have made a freehand drawing. You know how good I am at drawing. So let's see. I'm going to.
Very good.
Who said very good?
I said.
Vani.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you for the effort.
Okay. So let us start sharing the screen. I'm going to share the screen now. So whoever is late, I'm going to mute you later, not now. I don't think you need to be on mute. So share screen. I've kept a file ready so that I can, show you how to make a K-map. So we are here. We are on. Good morning, sir. We are going to be here. Okay, so this is the K-map. I'm so sorry because the lines are not straight. This is a whiteboard kind of an app that I'm using. I'm using Google Keep.
Then we are not
we
able
can't
to
say
see.
anything.
We are not
Only
able to
we
see.
can see
Not able
has
to
started.
see. Okay.
So,
Okay. Okay. Now,
Yes.
yes. So what I have done is I have made a 3 variable K-map boxes, only box. The digits and all are not done yet. We are going to make it now. Because what I'm going to show is I'm going to show you that if there are different kind of combinations of ones and zeros, then what will you do? How will you make the pair? How will you make the octet? And how will you make the quad? So first let us see here. Suppose there is a 1 here. Okay, and there is 1 here. And there is 1 here and 1 is here. Now tell me, how will you join and what will you join? First of all, quad is not possible.
0 and
Pair, two pair.
Yes,
Two
only
pairs.
2 pairs are
Two pairs.
possible. So 1 pair will be this
0 and 2.
Yeah,
0,
0
2
and
and
2.
5, 7.
and the other pair will be this.
Yes.
Yeah.
5, 7.
5.
Yes? Any
Yes.
problem here? This is very simple. See, this is not possible. Huh?
No.
This is not possible. Why? Because these are at a diagonal with each other. These ones are at diagonal, so it is not possible. So rule number 1, all the ones should be in the consecutive cells. They cannot be diagonal. Vertical, horizontal allowed. If you have 1 here, then you can match it with this one or this one. That is allowed. Vertical, horizontal allowed, diagonal not allowed. I'm going to rub this. I have an eraser here. Okay, I'm rubbing something else also. Not to worry. Now let us see here in a 4 variable K map, what are the different combinations? I'm going to take few from the textbook only. They are given in the book. So let us see. You will tell me what to do. Okay, I'm going to just write the okay, so 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here.
Om and Rudra, please switch on your videos.
Who has kept the video off? Siddharth, I know he has kept the video off.
Om and Rudra also, madam.
Okay, Siddharth is not speaking also anything I asked him, but okay. So in this case, what should be the pair or octet or quad? Who will tell me? Raise hand. So I will ask one person only. I don't want all of you to speak together. Think and tell me. You can take time. Take 10 seconds. Not a problem. Okay, Ishan has raised hand. I'm waiting for others.
Yes.
Ishan will not answer. Jeet is raising hand. Yes, Jeet, you will answer.
We have 4 pairs and 2 quad.
4 pairs. Ishan, do you agree?
No.
Yes, then what is it?
Madam,
2 quad.
We can make 4 pairs.
4 pairs.
What
Is it the best solution and is it the only solution that we have?
Chord and 2 pairs. 1 chord and 2
madam,
pairs.
6 pairs and 2
Yes,
quads.
yes.
quads.
One
Let me
quad
tell
and
you.
2 pairs.
Madam.
Okay.
Pairs.
Let me
Six
tell you.
pairs also.
We
All
can
of
make
you
2
are
quad
We can
actually.
make 2 quads.
Yes.
Yes, 2
Two
quads. we
quads.
can.
Dipping it.
Yes.
Madam, 6 pair and 2 quad.
कौन है ये होलसेल का काम है क्या 6 pair 2 quad?
4 pair.
Okay, see, let me tell you, we want to have the maximum combination. We should have an octet if possible. If not octet, then a quad. If not quad, then only pair. Now here, 2 quads are possible. Let me tell you how.
Yes.
Roll over.
Roll.
Yes.
Rolling over, I have
But
taught
on
you yesterday.
1, 3, and
Roll over.
You know what is rolling over.
Yeah.
See, if you make 4 pairs, you are not wrong. Let me tell you, no one will speak. Let me tell you, if I make 4 pairs here, you are not wrong. But what will happen, do you know? You will not get a very simple answer. Your expression at the end of the, whole procedure will not be very simple. So you will have to simplify it again. So if you make a quad, you will get rid of 2 variables. Your answer will remain in only 2 variables. But if this is a pair, then you will get rid of 1 variable. So answer will be 3 variables. So if you want a very simple expression as an answer, you will make 2 quads. You will not make 4 pairs here. Please understand. So this is one combination. Now I'm going to take another combination here. Okay, let me take this. This is 1. This is 1. This is 1. I need an eraser to remove this one. Okay, this 4, this 3, and this. Now you can think and tell me what will you be able to make from here? Yes. Think, don't worry, you can tell me.
3 quads.
Yes, ma'am.
4 quads.
1.
It is like a guessing.
4
game.
quads.
कुछ भी बोल दो तुम.
4
Shreya madam
quads.
will say yes or no.
2 only.
No, 2
It
only.
will only form 2.
3
Only 2
quads.
It's
quads.
very simple
quads.
to understand that this
4.
is a quad.
3 quads.
4
3
quads.
quads.
Sorry.
Again, it is very simple to understand that this is a quad.
And the 2 in the corner.
Yeah.
Again,
Then
this is also a quad. Do you understand?
Rolling over.
Box.
Rolling over.
Roll over
This is
also.
also a quad.
Over.
so 4.
I think this third one should have been
4 quad.
ignored. I should not have taken this third one.
Yes.
This one. Okay.
Yes, that square one.
Basically, we are getting
Yes,
3
ma'am. That
quads.
square should not be.
3 chords.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Do you understand? Now here, if you make wrong choices, your answer will not be correct. Correct means it will not be as simple as you expect it to be. समझ में आया? So basically, when you are making a K-map, the first thing is how to make a pair, how to make a quad. Let me tell you, this we have not discussed. I will erase this first and then I will tell you another combination which is really good. Today I'm going to give you homework, so please remind me that I have to give some questions. I want someone to give me this answer. Tell me.
2 pairs.
2 pairs.
2 pairs.
2 pairs.
Yeah.
2 pairs.
Great, great, great.
1 quad.
4
1
quads.
quad.
Quad also can be formed.
So again,
quad
the
also.
small piece of paper that I have here, I'm going to use it.
How quad?
It is a stick.
1
Two
quad.
quads. 2 quads can be formed, no?
अरे 1
Quad
quad.
कहाँ से हो गए when there are 4 numbers?
4
So,
variables.
Only 1 quad.
मैं नहीं बोला अर्णव बोला.
I spoke, ma'am.
Okay.
I have a
See
question.
here.
We can't take it from left to right and then up, top to down.
Have
How
patience.
left
Have
to
patience.
right?
4 ones in the corners. So I can roll it over.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. This is roll over. Do you understand this? 1 1 1 1 here. Now again, can I roll over?
Yes.
I can do anything. See,
So again 1 chord.
1 chord.
how many chords? 2 chords?
No, 1 chord. Only 1 chord.
Chord. Okay, so here we have 1 chord. So that is why I am taking this example, because this is very important. You know, you cannot go wrong here just because they are, you know, they look very, you know, spread out. This 1 1 1 is in the 4 corners. So how will you draw? See, I'll tell you, to solve these K-maps, you will have to remember few rules. First thing is, after placing the values 1 and 0s, you will have to make the circles for the groups. Let it be pair, quad or octet. You can check in the book also, they are making these circles. Then what you can do, suppose there are three things in the question. One is pair, one is octet, and one is quad. Suppose you will name these groups. So how will you name this group? I will make an arrow here and I will write 1. Or I can write quad 1. Quad 1. So that the examiner who is checking the paper, he will not get confused that have you simplified this one, or suppose you have another quad. Which one have you simplified and which answer belongs to which quad? So here what you will do, you will write quad 2.
Quad 2.
My way of solving the K-map. In book they have not given this thing, but I think it makes your life a little simpler. You will also not get confused. After writing quad 1, quad 2, what you will do, here you write quad 1 and then here you write the place of the cell. What is this place number here? This one is
0.
0.
0.
Next is
2.
And 1.
2.
this one.
2.
2.
Please don't forget all these things that I have taught, very important. Here
8.
8.
8 and 10.
And 10.
8.
10. So
8 and 10.
answer of your this quad is 0, 2, 8 and 10. Now
Yes.
these are all min terms. So how do we write the min terms? What is the letter that we use? As far as I know, it
Plus.
is
Summation.
oh, it is M0, M2,
M0
Oh,
to M8.
correct.
designation.
Oh yes,
Designation.
Okay, so you can write like
M8
this
and M2.
also.
And 0.
Okay, so first thing, take a question. From the question, decide it is a 3 variable, 4 variable, or 2 variable. Generally, for 5 mark, it will be 4 variable. If 4 variable, the number of cells will be 2 raised to n. So 2 raised to 4 is 16. Now write the place number of all the cells. Then in the question, whatever cell number is given, you put a 1 in those places. Then make a pair, make a octet, make quad, and then simplify. This is the way you will solve your K-map. Now, K-maps are of two types, SOP and POS. Till now, we have solved only SOP. We have not touched POS. So right now, we will take one more question of POS. Now, I'm not going to solve SOP. I will solve a POS question. And then I will give you some homework where you have to solve 3 SOP questions and 2 POS questions today, and you will have to show it to me when you come to the meeting next week. Okay. So let us open a Word file because now I'm not going to draw that much. Okay, so this is our box of SOP POS. This one is for POS. Okay, so I'm going to copy paste it here. Copy paste. And now here I'm going to remove all these things. Why? Because I don't need it. Or shall I put it here and remove it? Okay, I'm not removing all those place values there because we need it later. So I'm removing from here. Delete. Is this clear? Variable names are ABCD generally, or PQRS or XYZW. Can I change the name of variables? The answer is no. I can't change the name of the variable because that matters a lot. Question may there is ABCD and in answer you are writing PQRS. You get a 0. Never ever do that, please. Okay?
Yes.
Who is absent? If anyone can tell me. There are
Siddharth,
19 participants, so one is
Siddharth
absent.
left.
I think
Siddharth
Arya.
left.
Ayush is not there.
Ayush left.
Ayush is not.
Om.
Om is there.
Om is here. I can see Om. Like
Siddharth and
always
Ayush.
present. Don't worry about Om.
Siddharth is there.
Siddharth is there.
All are here. Only
Hey.
Aryan Talpada. Don't worry. Sorry, Ayush. Why do I get confused?
Ayush Talpada.
I'm taking a question and let us solve it. Okay. So let me take from the example only given in the book. Okay. One thing that I did not explain. Let us go back to the, this. Can you see this sheet again?
Yeah.
Say yes or say no.
Yes.
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 Now there is
Yes.
something called redundant groups, which we do not want. So let us see what is called a redundant group. Let me show you what is redundancy. Don't get confused between redundancy and, taking one variable. Okay, now here I am going to remove this one. I'm going to remove this one, this one. Okay, so here we have one, and here one, and here one. Now what is redundancy? Let us see. I'm solving this quad. Yes. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking these four. My mouse. Okay. Is it visible or not?
Yes.
And I'm solving these also. So here there is a lot of redundancy. See this group, these two are connected here also and here also. Let me change the color of the pen. What I am trying to say is these two in the middle, they are part of this group also. And they are part of this group also. This is called redundancy. So that we should avoid. To avoid that, what I will do, I will make only two quads. Tell me what are the quads?
The above four and then four.
First line and that middle.
That
four.
middle four. Yes.
Okay. So basically this quad is okay. I can take this quad. This one. Yes?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Now there is no redundancy. Please understand that I was doing that in a way that two ones were repeated 3 times or all 2 times. So it is redundant. Then there is one more, thing here. I'll rub this again. See, there are these many ones. Here one, here one, here one, here one, 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 one. Let me drop the other. Is this visible or any problem? Only these two cells are blank. Let me make the line, otherwise you get confused.
Madam, that red one are included.
Red one is not valid, don't worry. Okay, these two. Don't worry, I'll make it yellow. Yellow is your favorite color, no? So I will make it yellow. Okay, so basically we have one here, one here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ones. So see, suppose I'll change the color again so that suppose this is one quad. Okay, this is one pair. Okay, now I'm not saying I'm going to do it because I will make a quad here.
Quad.
This is one pair. They have given a example of redundancy. Suppose this is one pair. Now, what is redundancy? Let me change the color so that you can understand. If I group these two once, then this is redundancy. Why? Because these two ones are already in a group. They are not left alone. They have their own group, let it be a pair or quad. So when I'm doing this, this is redundancy. The same thing is applicable when I'm doing this here. इसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है.
Repetition.
Redundancy. This one, mixer कहाँ चल रहा है भाई? People are attending the class from the kitchen. Okay, thank God it is not washroom, thank God. Okay, so here, this is redundancy. Yes, so you should avoid this. If you do not avoid, what will happen? See, it will not give you wrong answer because you will have to eventually simplify it. After simplifying, you will get the actual answer. So rather than complicating the things, you should avoid these redundant groups. This example is given in the book. I have taken from the book only. Okay, is this okay? Let me unshare this. I want to ask you all that you have understood or not. And if you have a doubt, you can ask. Okay, so you all are on mute, so you can speak. See, I'm so good. I don't keep my students on mute. They are free. Okay, so Dhwani thinks that my handwriting is not good, so let us ask her. Yes, Dhwani.
I didn't say that.
Okay, did you understand this? How will you form the group?
Yes.
So, madam, one
Little
should be
complicated.
used.
Madam,
only
first
one.
preference should be given to octet,
Yes.
then quad, and then pair.
Octet, then quad, and then pair. If a quad is possible, don't make a pair. Rather than making two pairs, if you can make one quad, you will get a simpler answer. We will see that. We need a lot of practice. K-map is not a small concept. It is a huge thing. So I will solve, and then, you will have to solve a lot of different questions. Then you will understand that you will solve it in such a way that I don't want anyone to lose marks here. Okay. So let us
Madam.
take any doubts? Yes, Dhara.
Yes. So only one time one should be grouped.
Yes, if possible.
Huh.
See, I'll tell you, if a one is in such a place that you have made one octet, one quad, one pair, then also you are not able to include that one. Ekdam alag hai. There is no connection. Then you will have to write it as it is. 4 variable answer. A bar, B bar, C bar, D, something like that. So you include it in a pair. Let it be redundant. We have done it for that one single thing that is left alone. The rule is you cannot neglect or you cannot avoid any one. All should be in the pairs or octets or quad, then only you will get the correct answer. Is this clear? So first you all will note down the questions which I am giving you as a homework. Who doesn't have the textbook with him or her? डॉन भाई के पास टेक्स्ट नहीं, बड़ी बातें
Is also not having.
टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं लाते. Okay, page
Ma'am, it
number
was in
57. I'm writing in chat. Don't worry, I'll give you those questions. I will show you the question, or you have WhatsApp. Come
Share
on, they will.
we will take the photo.
मैसेज भेजते हो, एक और भेज देना.
That's the expert, madam, no?
हाँ?
Oh.
Who is his best friend? Nobody is raising hand.
Page 57 and question 7.
Nobody raised hand. What to do?
A, B, C.
Page number 57, question number 7, A, B, C. And if you want, you have a lot of days because we have 2 classes per week, what I will suggest is some POS questions also. Page number 105. Okay, we have last 10 minutes, not to worry. Today we are on time. 105 and 106. Question number 14B. Only B because A is SOP. And 17B. These two are POS questions. So your answer will be product of sum. A plus B bar dot A bar plus B bar plus C bar. ऐसा आंसर होगा.
और जीरो को ग्रुप करना है ना उसमें.
Yes. In that you will put a zero wherever you have. I will explain. Don't worry. I wanted you to write this down because then what happens? Suddenly meeting is over and we cannot give the. Last time I wanted to give you these 3 questions, but you were lucky that it was over. So let me tell you what we are going to do. I'm going to share a screen here. Suppose it is POS. Then here I will write a 0. Suppose the question is, let me take a question from here. Thank you. I symbol I have not taken. Let me take this. Okay. Suppose the question is this. Here there will be no summation. Here we will have a pi symbol. Pi symbol. Okay. Suppose this is the question. This is POS. What will I do? I will put a 0 at which place? 0 place, 1 place. 1 place कहाँ है? Yeah. There is 2 here. Now वो 1 गया. Now 0 का जमाना है. Why? Because it is POS. For POS, the normal term is 0, not 1.
4, 5, 6.
Everything is different now. Wherever you had A dot B or A bar dot B, now it is A plus B. Check the difference. If you want this sheet, I can send you. This Word document I can send you, but it is not a very finished kind of thing because I use it as a whiteboard. Now, 1, 2, 3 okay, now 6. Where is 6? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is here.
6.
And 9. Where is 9? 6, 7, 8, 9.
Here, C plus D bar.
Tell me if I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, by mistake I'm doing something wrong, you should tell me. 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
10.
7, 8, 9. 10 is here.
Last.
7.
Last year.
12, 13. 13 is here.
Yes, and last 14.
14.
14 is this
Yeah.
one.
Last.
This is your question. Suppose this question is given. I am not taking this question from book. This is previous question which we have already studied.
2 quad
So
and 1
now
pair.
what will you do? There are 2 quads I can see easily. 1 quad here
And 1 pair.
1
Yes.
here.
And one
I
pair.
will,
One pair.
don't worry, I am
Yes.
way
But
of
then 1 pair.
the problem.
There's a massive.
See. Format auto shape में जाके layout alt text नहीं हो रहा है. Don't worry, I'll look
Madam, it's okay.
there. But this is a
हाँ.
quad. This is another quad, and this is a pair. Yes. Okay. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
So now what will change? The simplification, it will change. The answer that you were writing like this, A bar, C bar. Now it will become, you know what? A plus
A
A
plus C.
Plus C.
A plus B bar नहीं रहेगा. अब it will become A bar plus B.
Plus
Class
B.
B.
Everything will be in a complement form of the answer that you were getting till now. Okay. So this is your today's work. I want you to solve these programs. One instruction for all of you. Very, very important instruction, especially because you all are very good at drawing like me. You will have to use pencil and scale scale only. Now don't tell me I forgot my scale in the school. My God. Saunak can say that. Saunak छोटा भाई है ना घर पे, उसका पेंसिल ले लेना.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Saunak.
Yes.
Now some will say we don't have a chota bhai. It's okay. Look for a pencil, look for a scale at home.
From neighbors who will
When
take
you are drawing, let me tell you, I'm saying these small things also. Suppose you are drawing, you are making a K map. Either use 4 or 8 lines. In 4 lines, it will be very small. So use 8 lines. Make a big K map, because first time when you will make a K map, you have to write a lot of things. Place value also. 0, 1, 2, 3. If it is wrong, your whole K map is wrong. 0 marks you will get. So draw with pencil. In the side, in the corner, write the variable name. Don't change the variable names ever. A, B should not become PQ. This Harsh and this Intel and this Dhwani, they have kept their video off. Kya hai bhai? See, I have a full doubt that in an ongoing class, you might go and take a morning walk also. So it can be dangerous. That's why keep the camera on. Who is this Intel thing? I don't know only.
Siddharth.
Huh? I'm seeing a student called Intel. Harsh, bhai. You be camera, you keep it on. See, the problem is that you have behaved in this way in other classes. So I have to keep an eye on you. Otherwise, I don't believe in keeping the camera on and all. I have my job. I want to teach. Okay, but the problem is some of you are chit-chatting with your friends, brothers, siblings, parents. Koi kha raha hai, koi comb, you know. You know. I don't know if someone is going to washroom also in an ongoing class. I don't know. That's why. Okay, Purvam is still, I don't know where. Purvam, bhai, camera on. Purvam is not here. See.
No, ma'am, but he's having some camera issue. He
Okay,
cannot
Purvam is coming.
make it work.
Audio, he has started audio. Jeet ke piche Vishwa has come. Vishwa. He doesn't have a class.
Today birthday, that is why.
Huh?
Her class is over.
Over? How come?
Birthday.
See, it is not 11:40.
Minute only left, madam. 11:38.
2 minutes left, madam.
Minute to matters.
Wow.
I told so many students.
Adanya Mehta's iPhone left.
Okay, so solve these questions. There is one more thing. We have 2 minutes, so let me tell you that for 5 marks, you will not get 5 marks for this K-map drawing. You will have to draw a circuit also. But it is not given in the book right now. It will be in the later, you know, some pages. I don't know. But till now, I have not seen a circuit. Suppose the simplified form is A plus B bar. I will have to draw the circuit of A plus B bar. So, A, B is in negation form. Means which gate do you require to convert A to A bar?
Not.
Or to B bar?
Not.
And plus means which gate?
Or.
End.
Or.
Gate.
Or.
So here you need one OR gate. But what if the equation is AB bar plus B bar C bar plus AB plus B C bar? Then you need 3 OR gates. And then you need 4 AND gates. Because AB bar is actually A and B bar. So the circuit will be huge. So be ready for drawing the circuits also. Practice, draw at home. You need a lot of practice because you all, you know, you don't like to draw a lot. But how many are biology students?
Hi,
Dhara,
Jeet. Dhwani.
Swara, Rudra, Dhwani. So they, I think, will be good at drawing. I hope so. So others will have to put a lot more effort. Ravi,
We are
Shaun.
also good.
Madam, the 10th we did. He drawn diagrams and all.
Yes.
Okay, Dava is good at drawing.
Little.
Little.
Ah.
Okay. We will see.
Little.
Okay. So next time we will solve one or more questions where the number will not be given. They will give you the term. See, zero place for S represents A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Yes or no?